launching a pre-owned 2014 Chevrolet Equinox all-wheel drive. This four-door SUV has a four-cylinder, 2.4-liter i4 engine with all-wheel drive and a six-speed shiftable O transmission. This Chevrolet has less than 96,000 kilometers on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 20 miles per gallon in the city and 29 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, wireless data link, power windows, window defogger, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.
Thank you for choosing First Canadian Auto Sales and Service.